How to block international incoming calls on Airtel. Step 1. Save Airtel's customer care number. Save 111 or 300 as Airtel customer care on your phone. These are the numbers associated with Airtel Nigeria support. Step 2. Call customer care from your Airtel line. Dial the number and wait to speak with an agent, or follow the prompt to reach a live representative if you are placed in an automated menu first. Step 3. State your request clearly. Tell the agent exactly what you want, that you would like incoming international calls blocked on your line, and give them your registered name and phone number for identity verification. Step 4. Complete any identity verification they ask for. The agent may ask for details tied to your SIM registration to confirm it's really you requesting the change. So have your ID details or registered information ready. Step 5. Confirm the request was applied. Ask the agent to confirm once the block has been applied, and a request reference number or confirmation message for your records in case you need to follow up.